beauty is something that we guys have created ourselves. So the standard of beauty is also created by us. If you think that, looking a certain way will make you feel special or confident or beautiful, then you're wrong. In today's video, I'm going to share my story with you guys. And this video was actually kind of a long time coming, but I did not know how to start it or when to start it. I was not even a whole kilogram when I came into this world. So I was very weak. I was kept in a nursery. They are like a glass compartment for weak kids. So when I was in school, all of my classmates used to bully me. Even my parents used to tell me that, you're very weak, you're very thin, please eat something, you are going to stay like this for the entire life. I took their advice and I started eating. Well, when I was in 8th, I started gaining weight because I started eating, and I started eating so much that by the time I completed my 12th, I weighed 72 kgs. This is not huge because, for some people it would be like normal weight, and I completely am not telling you that a particular size is perfect because, well, any size is perfect. All that matters is the confidence that you guys have. And I personally had no confidence. When I weighed 72 kgs, you should have seen me. I looked like a very gloomy kid. And I had no hopes for myself. Well, it took like the first year of college when I started realizing that whatever is in my life, it's more than enough. But, well, I have to personally lose weight because this is not going well. The thing is that if you're obese and you're fit, that is perfect. And you don't want to change, you don't need to change because you're fit. I was obese and I was not fit. I had all these problems. Obesity is not a problem in itself, but all the things that are accompanied by it, well, they are problematic. And if you don't take hold of it, it is going to affect you in like the near future. In around 2nd year of college, when I knew I had to change, so the first thing that I did was I started walking. I started going for a walk. I used to walk for 2 hours, sometimes 1 hour a day and sometimes 2 hours a day. And I used to go to a park. You can see how much I love dancing. Like, look at this, look at this. I am obsessed, clearly. I used to eat like fruits for breakfast. Then in lunch, I had proper lunch. Then for dinner, I skipped dinner sometimes, or if I had dinner, I had something like oats or, well, I never stopped eating the things that I loved. Like once in a week or twice in a month, I used to order pizza, pasta, anything that I liked, and I used to eat that without guilt. So that is like a tip for you guys, that if you guys are doing something with dedication, just do it with dedication. Throughout school, I was bullied. This shows that no matter what your size is, if people are going to bully you, they are going to bully you. I mean, if you guys are happy with the way you look, with the way you dress, with the way you speak, with the way you walk, with anything, then you guys should not listen to anyone out there. The first thing that you guys should remember from the story that I'm telling you about myself is that no matter what you do, where you stand, people are going to judge you any day. The second thing that I'm going to tell you guys from my story, personal story, is that if you're going to do anything with determination, no matter how hard it is, you're going to achieve it. The third thing that you guys should remember from my story is that never let anyone else tell you what to do with your life or what to do in your life. Because if you're going to listen to other people, well, other people are going to tell you what to do throughout your life. Like in my case, well, when I was extremely thin, I was like malnourished, people used to tell me that I need to eat, I need to gain weight to look good. Then when I started eating and I gained weight, which is quite usual, quite normal, people started bullying me for that and telling me that, you need to lose weight if you want to look good. I don't understand that. So, well, I did fall into that trap once, and that made my confidence go from like an average to like extremely low, and I hated it. Now that I look back, I laugh at it. Personally, I laugh at it, but when it actually happened to me, I was very sad. I was very demotivated. It was very disheartening, and I don't want you guys to go through it the way I did. I just want to tell you guys that beauty is something that we guys have created ourselves. So the standard of beauty is also created by us. If you think that, looking a certain way will make you feel special or confident or beautiful, then you're wrong. You can be beautiful just the way you are. You don't need to change yourself for fitting the standard of beauty as to what society thinks is beautiful. Being any size, being any color, complexion does not make you beautiful. Just listen to me, listen to what I'm saying. You are beautiful just the way you are. If you want to change because you want to change, then it's okay. But don't ever listen to anyone out there, anyone else, who's telling you to change yourself and to look a certain other way in order to look beautiful. That is just not good. Actually, there are around 8 billion people in this world, and all of them have different opinions. So if you're going to listen to each and every one out there, you may as well stop living. You have to live because it's your life. So you choose to live the way you are. And that is all I'm going to say.